So in a given problem is given a permanent magnet moving coil instrument, and is also given the central spring stiffness is reduced by or decreased by 0.04% and the magnet is reduced by 0.02%, and is asking what is the instrument reading when there is a temperature rise of 10%, right? So as given the decrement of the magnet and the spring stiffness per 1 degree centigrade, but in this measurement or in this instrument there is a rise of 10 degree rise. So that means 10 degree rise of temperature, the stiffness constant reduced by 10 into 0.04, that is 0.4%. And similarly the magnet strength is also reduced by 10 into 0.02, that is 0.2%. Now we know that the PMMC instrument will read accurate value if the deflection torque is equal to the controlling torque. Okay, so this deflection torque is proportional to the operating field. That means it is proportional to the magnet strength, whereas the controlling torque, which is proportional to the stiffness constant. So whenever any temperature or any changes happen, if they are in the same proportion, for example if the magnet strength is reduced by some 2%, if the controlling spring or if the stiffness constant is also reduced by the same amount 2%, then there is no problem. But if you see here, the stiffness constant is reduced much more, this is 0.4%, but the deflection or the magnetic strength is only 0.2%. So that means because of the different changes, because of the different magnitude amounts, if you see here, the reduction in the stiffness constant is more, right? So this is more, but this is less. What is the difference? The difference is 0.2%. That means when compared to the stiffness constant, the magnet strength is 0.2% more. That is the meaning of this. The stiffness constant is reduced by 0.4%. The magnet strength is reduced by 0.2, means the magnet strength is 0.2% more when compared to stiffness constant. So as a result, I told you the deflection is proportional to the magnetic strength. So magnet strength is 0.2% when compared to TC. So that means it will read, or the instrument reading will increase by 0.2%. So option C is the right answer.